Well, hello, my berries. It's me, Darkberry32, and I'm coming to you guys with an outfit of the day. I know. I think I had to get on Instagram this weekend, and one of you guys said, Karen, where's the outfit of the days? And I know it's been a while. I haven't done them, so I decided to go ahead and do it this morning because I'm like, well, maybe I'll do it when I get home. Well, I know I'm going to go to the gym after work this morning, today, so I didn't want to go ahead and, have to put my clothes back on to show you guys what I'm wearing. As a matter of fact, to let you guys know, I'm also going on an clean eating regiment. Started that this morning and feel pretty good so far. I had my oatmeal with my flaxseed in it and a little bit of honey and then some egg whites. So I'm feeling really good, and I'll be eating like 5 or 6 times a day. So anyway, I digress. Just want to show you guys what I'm wearing, and then I got to get out the door. It's Monday and it's raining and it's all ugh. Anyway, I just have on a pair of black sandals that I got from Nine West a long time ago. I think they were like $19.99 or something like that. And then, of course, my pixie cut jeans from Old Navy. These are in the gray. Love these, love these. I mean, gosh, you can wear them with just about anything, and I love them. You can dress them up, dress them down, whatever. So I have them in all different types of colors, but I'm wearing gray today. Have on a little black cami underneath this blouse that I got, I think, from TJ Maxx or something like that. But just got like purples and grays and blacks. And then for my jewelry, I have on my ring here, and I have on another ring here in the middle. And then I have on my Michael Kors watch. Then my black crystal, Lord Jesus, my crystal necklace that I have on. And then I just have on these silver loop earrings that I got from the Nutcracker Market. My makeup is fairly simple. I use its Judy Time palette. You guys know I live and die by this palette. I only used one color out of the palette, and that's here at the bottom. And then I used Embark by MAC in the crease, and just to highlight, that's it. My hair, I told you guys that I'm kind of transitioning and going into natural. Love, love, love it. What I'm using on my hair, I just actually bought yesterday, and of course I know you guys have seen this by now. It's the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curling Gel Souffle. Y'all, this stuff is amazing because I was using the Cantu, and it's good too, but I woke up with my hair shiny like this using that Souffle Gel by Shea Moisture, so nothing but rave reviews. And to just like revitalize it, I use this DevaCurl. So I'm going to see what this does, but I didn't have to do anything really to my hair this morning except for spray a little bit of that around my sides and brush down my back. And then I'm going to get out the door, so I love it, love it, love it. But let me go ahead and go. I got to get to work and get this week over with. But I will talk to you guys later. Oh, and shortly there'll be another Ipsy review. I know I just put one up, but there's another one. I have another Ipsy package that just came in the mail. And also, I'll be putting up my vlog from this weekend. So I will talk to you guys later. Have a fabulous day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.